Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to figure out which side of our faucet is leaking. So let's get to it. Going below your sink, there should be two water shutoffs. One is for the hot, that should be on the left, and one is for the cold, which should be on the right. That is your shutoff valve, so turn it to the right or clockwise until it stops, and you want to do this for only one side first. So here I am starting with the hot water valve, and the reason is, if you go back up to your sink, wipe up any water that's already starting to drip, then give it about 20 to 30 seconds to see if it continues to drip. If you shut off only one side and it is no longer dripping, that was the leaking side. That is now the side that you have to replace. If you find that it's still dripping at the same rate after shutting off the one side, go back underneath, turn that water supply back on, and turn off only the other side. You're going to repeat the same test where you wipe up the excess water and you're going to see if it's still dripping or if it stops completely. Typically, only one side is dripping, but if you find that it's still dripping when both are shut off individually, that means that they are both leaking and they both have to get replaced. If you're not sure whether or not it's dripping, turn both water supplies all the way off, do the same thing where you wipe up anything that's already started to drip, and again, wait about 20 to 30 seconds. In this case where you have no water coming in on either side, that is your best case of nothing could possibly drip because there's nothing coming in. So if you're unsure, base your test for the hot and the cold side individually off of how it looks with both sides shut off at once. And now that you know which side needs to be replaced, we can get started. I've linked the full repair video in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.